freebeat AI is one of the newest AI software solutions that's just been released, and if you're curious about it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about freebeat AI so you can decide if it's the best choice for your needs. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the info to make an informed decision, and I'll share a way for you to try it for free, no strings attached. Now, what makes freebeat AI stand out? The first thing you need to know is that it's designed to make complex processes like music creation, sound design, and even video editing much easier. With a ton of powerful features, it's perfect for creators who want to save time and effort while still producing high-quality work. The software operates on advanced machine learning algorithms, and what's amazing about it is how quickly it can analyze your input and generate results. Whether you're creating music, sound effects, or working with multimedia projects, freebeat AI's ability to adapt and deliver output based on your needs is impressive. Unlike some other tools, it doesn't just give you generic results. The more you use it, the more it tailors its responses to match your style and preferences. Another thing that sets freebeat AI apart is its ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The interface is clean and intuitive, so even beginners can jump right in and begin producing. This is great for content creators, especially those who might not have much experience with traditional software in music or video production. It lowers the barrier to entry while maintaining professional level quality. Freebeat AI also comes with a ton of presets, which is a huge time saver. You don't have to spend hours tweaking settings to get your sound right. Whether you're a musician, video editor, or a podcaster, you'll find a range of templates that can help you jumpstart your project. And the AI's ability to generate new ideas based on your input is what makes it stand out in the crowded AI software market. Let's talk about customization. One of the things that impresses me about freebeat AI is its customization options. While it's super easy to use right out of the box, if you want to get deeper into the features and fine-tune things, you can. The software gives you control over the AI's output, so if you're a more experienced user, you'll appreciate the ability to tweak things to fit your vision perfectly. The best part? You can try freebeat AI for free right now through the link below. Yes, completely free, so you can test out all the features before you commit. I always recommend trying software before buying it, and with freebeat AI's free trial, you can dive in and see if it works for you. Now, you may be wondering how freebeat AI compares to other AI tools. In my experience, it does a fantastic job at blending ease of use with powerful results, which is hard to find in many new AI tools. Many software packages either focus too much on simplicity and miss out on powerful features, or overload you with complexity. Freebeat AI strikes that balance very well. Lastly, let's talk about support. This software isn't just a product, it comes with solid customer support. If you hit any bumps in the road, freebeat AI's support team is responsive and ready to help, which is something that can make or break your experience with a new tool. If you're ready to dive into the world of AI-powered creativity, freebeat AI is definitely worth checking out. And remember, you can try it for free from the link in the description. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've put together my recommended list of the best software you can try for free, and you can find that list below. If you're serious about creating quality content without the stress, freebeat AI might be just what you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial options in the description.